Para naman sa video na ito, gagabayan ko kayo upang masagot ang Activity 1 entitled Measure Up. In this activity, let us find the measure of the following angles given the parallel lines cut by a transversal. For this activity, mapapansin nating dalawa ang transversal na nag-i-intersect sa ating parallel lines. In this case, unahin nating i-identify ang angle relationships ng unang transversal. Let us now apply the knowledge about angles formed by parallel lines cut by a transversal. Note that corresponding angles are congruent, which means that they are equal in measure. And since the given angle corresponds to angle D, then the measure of angle D is also 100 degrees. And since angle B forms vertical angle with the given angle, then we could say that the measure of angle B is also 100 degrees. And since angle B corresponds to angle F, and angle F is also a vertical angle of angle D, then we could say that measure of angle F is also 100 degrees. Linear pairs are angles whose sum is equal to 180 degrees. Now, we could see that angle A forms a linear pair with a given angle. Therefore, measure of angle A is equal to 180 degrees minus 100 degrees, which results to 80 degrees. And as we could see, angle E corresponds to angle A. Therefore, measure of angle E is also the same with the measure of angle A, which is 80 degrees. And as you could see, angle C is a vertical angle of angle A. Therefore, the measure of angle C is also 80 degrees. And since angle G corresponds to angle C and is also vertical to angle E, then the measure of angle G is also 80 degrees. Now, let us proceed to the second transversal that cuts the parallel lines. The given angle is 70 degrees and it corresponds to angle 1. Then, measure of angle 1 is also 70 degrees. And since the given angle is a vertical angle of angle 6, then the measure of angle 6 is also 70 degrees. And since angle 3 corresponds to angle 6 and is also vertical to angle 1, then the measure of angle 3 is also 70 degrees. Next, we could see that angle 5 forms a linear pair to the given angle 70 degrees. Therefore, measure of angle 5 is equal to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees, which results to 110 degrees. And since angle 5 is vertical to angle 7, then we could say that the measure of angle 7 is also 110 degrees. And since angle 2 corresponds to angle 5, then measure of angle 2 is also 110 degrees. And since angle 4 corresponds with angle 7 and is also vertical to the angle 2, therefore, the measure of angle 4 is also 110 degrees. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next virtual instruction.